Hello guys, today I'm happy and proud to present finally the launched project, officially launched, the project that I've been working on for 2 months already. It's Livewire Kit, set of Livewire components. I've been working a lot with Livewire lately. You can see that from my videos and my posts on YouTube and my tweets. So I try to combine that knowledge and practice into such components, and there are 20 for the launch of the project. So it's already available, livewirekit.com. And we can scroll down and see what components are there. Every component has a screenshot. Then inside, for example, there is a demo. So we can click any component. There is a short video of 10 to 15 seconds of how it works, and you can zoom it in or watch on loom.com for full screen, or you can try clickable demo of every project. It's a separate subdomain for every component. I've created a subdomain with a separate Laravel project so you can test it out. So you can click add to cart and then this changes, or remove to cart. And every component comes with Tailwind and Bootstrap versions. So there's a Bootstrap version, which is also testable on that domain. So you can click around and see what's inside. If you want to have the code, then you can download all the components for $19. I was thinking about pricing quite a lot. There were a lot of options, but I decided finally to go simple. All the code for all the components for $19. And you can try it out without paying. 2 components are free. So generating slugs from title or parent-child dependent dropdowns. So you have country and city dropdowns. You can download the code and let's see what's inside. Inside of the code, there are 3 things: main README, how to use it, then demo full Laravel project, so the same thing as on demo subdomain with Bootstrap and Tailwind, so you can see how it is used actually, and then the kit itself, so the files that you actually need. You choose Bootstrap or Tailwind, and then you see only the Livewire files and related stuff. So typical Livewire component. And this project is an interesting new experience for me because I've never sold the code this way. I've always been selling either online SaaS product like Quick Admin Panel or courses, which is content. So I was really curious or even scared what would be the first reactions, but it seems okay. In my mind, I had a goal to sell 100 copies, so 100 people to buy that. Then it would make sense to invest more in this project and continue with more components and improving existing components. So yesterday I've sent an email to those of you who subscribed to the initial newsletter. Those were almost 600 people, and out of them I have almost 70 sales. Possibly there will be more after this video and my newsletter and my tweets, so I guess I'm reaching that 100 state, which means I will invest more in this project. So if you have any ideas for new components, for improving existing components, anything, let me know. Just email me, povilas@laraveldaily.com, or as usual, comment on this YouTube video. I have already some ideas from those of you who replied yesterday to that launch email, and I will continue working on Livewire Kit specifically and generally on the content around Livewire on this channel. It won't be as active as previously because I was building the launch for Livewire, so I wanted to be like Livewire guy for a while for January. But still, I think every week you can expect something about Livewire on this channel. I have a to-doist, pretty big list of ideas already from you and from myself, from the comments I see online, so something will appear on this YouTube channel for free. But if you want ready-made components for Livewire Kit and you want to support this channel financially, go to livewirekit.com and check it out. See you guys in other videos.